In the ever-evolving world of finance, cryptocurrency is the latest sensation, making headlines across the globe. Just recently, Uphold, a cryptocurrency exchange platform, announced it would be sunsetting U.S. equities. However, American residents can still invest in other assets, marking a significant shift in the investment landscape. Cryptocurrency might initially seem like a complex concept, but it's actually a simple idea wrapped in a bit of technical jargon. So, to put it in simple terms, cryptocurrency is digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. It's not governed by any central authority like a bank or government, making it immune to government interference. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which was the first cryptocurrency to be established. Since then, we've seen the rise of many others, including Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Each of these cryptocurrencies operates on blockchain technology, a decentralized system that records transactions across many computers to ensure the integrity of record-keeping. Now let's take a closer look at how cryptocurrency works. Think of it as a giant ledger where all transactions are recorded. This ledger is transparent and accessible to everyone within the network. When someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, the transaction gets recorded to this ledger, verified by the network, and then finalized. This process makes the transaction secure and hard to counterfeit. Trading cryptocurrency is similar to trading in the stock market, with price fluctuations offering the potential for profit. Cryptocurrency exchange platforms like Uphold allow individuals to trade between different asset classes, including cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, and national currencies. However, it's essential to note that trading in cryptocurrency can be risky due to its volatile nature. The value of cryptocurrencies can change rapidly in a very short time, making it possible for investors to experience significant gains or losses. Strategies for cryptocurrency investing include long-term holding and short-term trading, each with their own risks and rewards. Now, to summarize the key points. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. It operates on a decentralized system known as blockchain technology. Trading in cryptocurrency is done through platforms like Uphold, but it can be risky due to the volatile nature of the market. Despite its risks, cryptocurrency continues to be an exciting development in the world of finance, offering a new way to think about money and investments. Remember, while the world of cryptocurrency might seem overwhelming at first, understanding its basics is the first step towards navigating this digital frontier. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's always important to stay informed and make educated decisions.